So you wake up and you got a flat tire, so here's how to plug a tire. And beautiful 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD turbo diesel, 480,000 miles, runs on cooking oil, but that's another story. So we'll just show you how to plug the tire. So I inspected it, I noticed there's a screw right there. I got lucky, I can see it. So the first thing you do, you take the tire off, put that there, and now you're going to jump on that and loosen it, which I've already done. You want to do that while the tire's still on the ground. So that's the first step. Things you're going to need a plug kit. I got one left, so that's good. You can get that anywhere, gas station. Then you got the jack for this vehicle. It's 1981. This is all we got, okay? 1981, that's all we got. You can use a jack stand, or you can just put the spare tire on. I'm just gonna. Alright, so let's jack the car up. As you notice, there's a hole right there, and you put the jack in the hole. And now you just turn this. I like to put a little wood down, and then you're just going to turn this and keep turning it and keep turning it, and the car will raise. Alright, next step, now that you've twisted this up high enough, as you can see, the tire is completely off the ground, and now you're going to place a jack stand under there. There's a little bumper that you can see it rest on. Mine's worn out quite a bit. You can see the bumper right there. As I said, I'm using some wood again. And now you're just going to rest. Put that right under there, like so. And you're going to start lowering the car. So you lower the car, you go the other way, and it'll rest on the jack stand. Kind of hear it crushing the wood, and he's getting looser. There we go. That's out. Take the cars off the jack stand. Now you'll finish this up by taking all the lug nuts off and take the tire off. Alright, so next you got your plug kit. Coming with, I guess, 5 plugs. I've already used 4, so as you see, I've done this before. It's got this little tool here, and it's got that tool here. You're going to use this one first. So you get in the hole, and you're just going to, let me switch hands on the camera. You're just going to clean it out, in and out, just kind of to clean it out. Next, you're going to use this one. So I'm going to show you in a minute. Either take a hammer or something and flatten out the end. Just flatten out the end by pressing it, make it easier to insert. In this thing here has a hole, and you're going to thread it through like a piece of. Alright, next step, so you get it through about halfway through. You want it halfway, and you're going to curl it up like this. There you go. And you're going to stick it in the tire, and you're going to go about halfway. Okay, so you insert it, and you still want the ends out a little bit. 2 ends out, just like that. And then you will quickly rip this out. And there you go. So what's left is just a little bit sticking out. And next you're going to pump up the tire. And you can cut that off, or it'll probably just wear off as you drive down the road. So next step, pump up the tire. I got a little pump there. Obviously I'm going to go to the gas station, pump it up properly after I can get enough air in it. And then you just put the tire back on and lower it down. Just follow the first steps. That's it, and you're ready to roll again. So I had some good luck that it was a flat tire in a spot I could get at. Alright, last step. Once the vehicle's on and you put the jack down, you'll want to tighten them all. Once the vehicle's on the ground, tire's on the ground, you want to tighten them all, and then you're ready to go. Actually, I got a pretty good amount of air in there, but I'm still going to get a little more in there. Just pick up the tools, and for me, I got to order more plugs. Peace out.